Introducing PowerBISight, the ultimate tool for automating repetitive Power BI management tasks. If you're tired of manually updating reports, refreshing datasets, and managing user access, PowerBISight is here to help. With PowerBISight, you can automate routine tasks like report publishing, dataset refreshes, and even content updates. This allows administrators to focus on more strategic initiatives while ensuring consistent and error-free report management. No need to worry about large-scale operations. PowerBISight can handle bulk data imports, report migrations, and dataset transfers, making it perfect for managing hundreds or thousands of reports. Security is also enhanced with bulk row-level security assignments, allowing you to assign roles to multiple users in just a few clicks. You can manage security settings at scale while ensuring that only authorized users have access to the right data. Finally, PowerBISight streamlines user management. You can bulk assign or update user roles, onboard new teams, and even quickly revoke access, all without the hassle of going through individual profiles. In short, PowerBISight saves you time, reduces manual intervention, and brings automation to your Power BI environment. Start automating today with PowerBISight.